is Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically 133rd number part of the video, basically language part. So another person told that the entire data basically are connected. Basically, the financial sector basically are doing the mapping like this. Like this means how blood group owner basically are there. For example, one blood group owner is there, B blood group owner. He basically have 150 crore people basically attached in his body basically. Who is going to die? Who is not going to die? If the person is going to die, then basically the new birth also basically happens. So entire body basically is getting processed in his body basically. That is basically inside his that person's body basically. Why? Because he is a blood group owner basically. For example, there are basically more than 150 blood groups owner. So one of the blood group is B blood group basically. So one of the person told that the financial industry basically handles everything on the base of this basically. That is the financial sector basically. That also you can say, because they are basically only connected with the world banks basically, and world banks basically are connected with the all the banks basically. So you can say in India basically SBI is there. So SBI is connected with the all the private banks basically. RBI basically is connected with the SBI basically. So each and every group basically are connected with each other basically. Same way basically the stock exchange basically are there. They basically are connected with the banks. Then basically the each and every properties industries basically are there. They are connected with the banks. So each sectors basically are connected with each other basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this financial sector.